So you filmed your reel and you have all your footage ready, except it's missing something. It's missing a filter. I'm gonna show you how to add Instagram Reel filters to your entire reel.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
So let's start by creating our reel. So we're gonna go into Reels and we're gonna add our clips. So I'm just gonna add a clip I have here. It's got a bunch of different videos in it, but I want to add a filter effect that's going to show up on the whole video. So to do that, I'm just going to add this. I'm paying attention to where my menu is. So if you see, if my menu is on the side here, it's not going to allow me to add a filter to my already existing video footage. What it's going to allow me to do is add a filter right now, and then so I can add this filter, and then I can film more with this filter. Oh my God, my face looks so fake. It's crazy. So if I want to add a filter to this entire video, it's going to be the same. So it's going to have the same look for it. Then I want to make sure that my menu is on the top here. So my menu is on the top, and then I'm going to press these 3 stars. So you can see, once I press these 3 stars, it's going to allow me to access all these filters. So I can go through, I can search for a filter. Let's see if there's a Christmas filter. Okay. If you don't like a filter, just click on the filter and it's going to show you the clean version again. Maybe we don't want a Christmas filter. Let's see aesthetics. So aesthetics is basically going to allow you to do color finishes on the videos. It's going to make the video look the same aesthetically. So like the color of it, the feel of it. So you can see here, the colors of it change. It's adding a different look to the video itself. Special effects do a little bit more in the sense that they're going to maybe do something to your face. So what it's going to do is when it's going to show your face, it's going to add that effect onto it. So let's see. There is me as an elf. What you can also do is you can access your saved filters. So here's some of my saved filters that I can easily access and add to any of my reels. So this is really cool. I like this one, the focus reel. So what the focus effect allows me to do is it allows me to have one thing be focused and everything else in the background is going to be blurry. So this is an effect that usually you can only get with an iPhone 13 or higher, but you can access it through your effects. So there you go. You no longer need to buy the newest iPhone. And then so once you have your effect or filter on the entire thing, you can see it's going to show up. It's not going to allow you to add different filters for different sections of the video. Instead, it's going to allow you to add the filter overall on top of the whole video. And then you can just press next and you're ready to share your reel. Holy shit, I don't need the iPhone 13. You hear that, Ruru? Yeah! Your YouTube channel is going to help you drive more traffic to your offers and help you sell more. I've created a YouTube action plan to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel in less than an hour. Download my YouTube action plan now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time. Peace!